Hello friends and welcome to the channel. In this video I'm showing you how to customize right-click menu in Windows 11. So I will be showing you this example with this very little cool utility. It's called ShellExView. If you want to find it, just go ahead and type the same name, ShellExView, like this. And go to this website. As you can see, Shell Extension Manager. Just go ahead and grab it from here. And now guys, I'll just show you a little example. How do you remove things and customize your context menu? So if I right click on the desktop and for example go to new, as you can see I have this Microsoft Access database in here and other stuff. So as you can see I actually removed a lot of stuff from here and you can actually see it, right? So how do you start working? Firstly, sort everything by the type right here and just click here until you have the context menu, right? Don't touch anything else, right? So these things, all these things, just don't touch them. All right, we're working with context menus. And in here, something that you don't need, right? For example, internet shortcut, you right click it and then just disable it. And do it with as many items as you wish. So just scroll down. Also, we have the search, Control F, right? For example, we just type in text, find next, and you can just find different entries that you want to maybe disable here. And then when you're finished customizing, what you need to do is just simply to restart your File Explorer. So in my case, I have a very handy, as you can see, Restart Explorer. You just restart it like this. And then if you go here and depending on what you disabled, it will not appear here anymore. If you don't have this tool, just open up your Task Manager, search for Explorer, right click, and then where is it? Let me see, restart. There you go, and restart again. Bingo. And that's it. That's how you customize your menu. Enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe.